Hi guys, and today we're going to be working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. Our colors, first we'll go over this little 9-ounce cylinder style cup, and we're going to pour out of that. I have colors Prussian blue mixed with carbon black, bright aqua green with a little bit of aqua flash in there. I have 24K gold. I also have nickel azo gold by Goldens with a little bit of Folk Arts Fire opal in there. And I can't recall the name of this paint for the life of me, but it's Extreme Sheen. I think it's maybe Blue Topaz. It's a little thin, so I'm not sure if I'm going to actually add that at this point. All right, so I have my white mixed up here. And I'm going to do a little drizzle of white on the bottom. I don't think I want to run everything down the side, but we'll give it a go. And the Fire Opal Azo mix. A little bit of gold in there. And some of the white. We're going to come in with the bright aqua. And the Prussian blue carbon black mix. A little drizzle of gold. Nickel azo. The white. All right, and back to the white. Now here. There we go. So this is my little layered cylinder style cup. And we're gonna put the white right there. Here. And we are going to pour. All right. Some beautiful design features on here. I am going to line this with a little bit of white around the edges. We're going to come in with the chopstick. All right, now I move this baby around. Love what's going on in here. I'm actually going to put down a little more base to help move the puddle. So that we can keep some of this composition. All right. Bring it right on back. Maybe over to this corner. A smidge. Which sort of makes me sad that I lost that area, but there's so many other beautiful bits to this. Actually gonna turn this around. And just bringing it back to balance it. That corner. I have like all this paint in between my fingers. There we go. Give it a torch and we'll bring you guys in just a moment. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here it is. Look at all these beautiful details. And the gold, and the nickel azo gold is like spectacular mixed with the gold. I do apologize for the overhead light, but it is what it is for now. And yeah, so this is it. It turned out so pretty. And I love mixing carbon black with Prussian blue. So this is what we're gonna learn in my class in Texas. So please consider signing up. I'd love to teach you one-on-one. We'll go over paint consistencies and techniques and really how to release yourself from control and love yourself to just swirl and not care, in a sense, if that makes any sense at all. But it'll be fun. We're gonna have a great time. We also have a Texas barbecue dinner on Friday night, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. All my love. Bye.